Hello, this is Dan the Furniture Repairman. Today I got a real quick tip on how to keep the bristles from falling out of these cheap brushes and into your work. Now, we use these chip brushes quite a bit. We use them when we do glazing and staining and a lot of things like that. It saves us a lot of trouble washing and cleaning other brushes, and then it'll also just save us time. Now, the trouble is the bristles fall out of these things and they drive you nuts and your hair falls out of your head every time you see the bristles in your work. So I came up with this way. I'm just wrapping this against the drill bit, and then I stick the drill bit in the drill, as you see right here, and I'm going to spin this puppy. I'm going to spin it like crazy right against my hand, and I can keep pulling the bristles. I'm going to stop it every few seconds and pull the bristles out. Now, believe it or not, these are like, 20, 30, 50-cent brushes, but I also buy, $50 Badgers, and I do this technique when they're new, too, to make sure I get all the bristles out that are loose. So any paintbrush I use, I put through this process. Now, you can also charge it a little bit, put it in the solvent for the varnish and wet it and spin it off in the bucket. That may help. Here you see me just using a typical hairbrush. I'm bald now, so I don't need a hairbrush anymore. I use it on my paintbrushes. And I fluff it up a little, and I'm going to pull it on a little bit more. And I probably spent about, 2 minutes or something like that working a brush, which may seem like a lot of time, but if you've ever had to stop after your finish is dry and get one of those bristles out and then touch up or redo that area, it's definitely well worth the time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. If you can remember to like and subscribe and share. This is Dan the Furniture Repairman. Y'all have a good day now.